I talk Bisaya, you guys. Oh, that's my recess, 11:50.
Oh, and then you guys play outside?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey guys, I'm sick today. I'm absent. Sunny today. So you're going to pick up water. I don't know where we're going. Now we're going.
Balik ng tubig.
You're gonna buy too big. After what?
Uli.
Huh?
Uli, go home.
And you go home.
Gusto ka magdula sa gawas?
Oo.
Kasabot kag Bisaya.
Oo.
What do you mean agpas?
Hurry up.
Oh, Alexa.
Come here.
Oh my God. Yung mong lubot, what it means?
But,
Your butt? Okay.
Apas, hurry up. Bantay.
Bantay. What's bantay?
After you. I talk Bisaya, you guys. Bisaya tayo mapatatapapapato.
Mga una.
Ow! I almost say that.
Oh, you almost say that.
Yeah. Maano na.
Guapa. What do you mean by guapa?
You're beautiful.
Guapo.
Guapo. It is guapa.
Kauna is
Eat.
libang.
Pupup. Unsa.
Laba unsa. What is unsa?
I don't know.
What?
What?
Unsa yung mga ngalan?
Naya.
Naya yung mga...
Bye guys. Thank you for watching.
Really? Oh well. Come on over here. You said your tummy is growling.
Eat it now.
No, maybe later. No, it's a big... I want to talk to Mommy real quick, okay? She's hungry too.
Huh?
She's hungry.
Nakaon na.
Oh, you okay?